Next question is space 1. Stoichiometry and redox reaction. Question number 10. The minimum mass of a mixture of A2 and B4 required to produce at least 1 kg of each product is this. They have given the atomic masses. The reaction is 5A2 plus 2B4 gives you 2 times AB2 plus 4 times A2B. And one more thing, minimum you have to form 1 kg of these, 1 kg, 1000 gram of these. So we'll try to calculate the molecular mass. AB2 molecular mass will be A plus B2, if it will be 250. And A2B molecular mass will be around 140. So from the molecular mass only, it is clear that if 1000 gram of AB2 is produced, so obviously A2B will be higher than the 1000 gram according to the stoichiometry of the reaction. So we'll focus only on the AB2. So AB2 we need 1000 gram. Molecular mass of AB2 is 250. 4 moles of AB2 we have to form. Now, according to the stoichiometry, 5 moles will react with 2 moles. 5 moles of A2 react with 2 moles of B4 to give you 2 moles of AB2. Now, we need how many moles of AB2? We need 4 moles of AB2. So, this will be double of this. So, it will be 4 moles of B4 and 10 moles of A2. Okay, so final mixture should contain 10 moles of A2 and 4 moles of B4. We'll try to calculate the molecular masses. So, molecular mass of A2, molecular mass of A2, atomic mass of A here, atomic mass of A is 10. So, molecular mass is 10 into 2, 20 is the molecular mass of A2. How many moles of A2 we have? 10 moles of A2. So, 10 moles of A2 into molecular mass of A2 is 20 will be 200 grams of A2. We need minimum to produce 1000 gram of AB2. Going towards the B4 का molecular mass is 120 into 4. 12 for the 48 means 480 gram is the molecular mass of B4. How many moles of B4 we need? 4 moles of B4. So 48 into 4 into 10. This will be the mass. If I let it solve, 8 for the 32, 4 for 16, 17, 18, 19, 1920 will be the gram with the mass of B4. Can we add them to get the total mass of mixture? Yes. Total mass of mixture will be 480 gram plus 1920 gram. So it will come around 2120 gram of mixture. So 2120 gram of mixture will be first option. A option will be the correct answer. Okay. Thank you.